For ICP, guys, we not break the structure because this was a like impulse correction, and we not break the 1557 to talk about a potential upside move. But locally, it looks good. It was pretty good, right? Because even after correction, the ICP made like 241% gains. So congrats everybody who fixed the profit, guys. This cycle teaches fix the profit all the time. All market changes, altcoins behavior changes because the previous one, everybody waiting at the same story like with Zcash. So just one crazy monthly candle and you reach like unstoppable move for every single altcoin. But now a lot of altcoins on the market, and it's impossible to pump all of them in the same time like it was, for example, in 2017 or 2021. That's why this cycle is so difficult, and 100% profit, especially on the spot, it's definitely you need to, or at least withdraw initial deposit or fix some profit. You remember I post the idea, so I will withdraw my initial deposit around $6, because on that dump, I got a chance just by luck because I opened the chart in the right time. I bought around like $2.60, $3, and the main goal was like withdraw initial deposit, not to fix the profit 100%. No, I think everything will be okay with the ICP for a long run. I mean, okay, it's we're gonna hit over than $21, and this is the next step, like 38. Or you can say, oh, how it even possible, guys? From now, it's only 621%. Yes, it's kind of big numbers, right? But it's not some 50x, 20x or so. No. And count from the $9, this one, it was like 300% pump, and that's it. Maybe we're gonna end the cycle at 39. So who knows? That's why my entry was on that dump just by luck, because I get an alert, so the ICP dump it, and I just bought on a spot, by the way, on a max, not on the Binance. And at 6, I posted, I withdraw my initial deposit. I did it. After that, I miss it. More, like 63% gains. I just skipped this profit. But I follow my plan. So sometimes it's happen. You build a plan, you follow your plan. Because if you start gamble and wish to see, oh, maybe we go higher, so I will hold. So now I could be in losses. Not in losses, but I could not fix the 100%. That's why now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame, I can't say the full fill should be like 429. I don't have a plan to add more. ICP, I'm enough, for the spot. I'm enough with ICP, with other tokens. I use that money now for the futures trade. That's why a logical entry for the futures can be the full fill, 432 daily time frame. This is also can be 431, like more than real to see this one full fill. And after that, it's this one full fill, 299. So $3.30 is some range where you can try open some position. Like you can see on a dashboard now, I highly recommend you use this brand new indicator dashboard from my side. It gives you the like all in one place, all my indicators in one place. So it's 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, neutral, daily, optimism, still optimism, not like disbelief, and neutral on one time frame direction, middle zone lower, no divergences, nothing. Trade on, guys. Here was a take profit from the short position, so we need to close the short position, buy, take profit, sell. Now no signal take profit, this was sell, take profit. So we need to see something like this one, the same take profit, so signal. Now nothing, even on a 12 time frame, even on a 4 time frame. If we use like impulse for ICP, this one, so the road can be open even to 430, 377. This block for ICP can be like entry for the futures or for the spot if you're ready to buy this token, or yes, buy this token. Other tokens, total different entries. And that's why targets after that will be around here 14 and the sweep of this liquidity pool. I believe it in that targets. Can we drop and react everyone on the $1.17? Yes, of course, it's possible. So just a rhetorical question. That's why you take a risk or not. We can't be on a high risky market and try to play safe, like find some safe coin. There is no safe coin, guys. Even the Avalanche dump it, even the Polkadot dump it. People lost a lot of money with the DOT, with Algorand. I don't know. With any talking, it can happen at anything at any moment. That's why a zone for accumulation I showed you. Let's double check other one, the ADZ direction now. 12 time frame, it was a time to out. Now we're in the middle, time to out. Now we at the bottom on direction. On daily time frame here was a signal to sell. Last time we saw that signal here in June, and it's playing out pretty good one here. Time to out, no accumulation signal. Weekly time frame, we're still early, I guess, because it's not a top of the top to sell the ICP. To sell, and out at all from the project. I'm just withdraw my initial deposit. So I don't want to worry about the stock. And so now, with the strategy, when you get 100% profit, you withdraw initial deposit, you don't worry about that token at all in the future. So you don't care if it's go to the moon, you can add alerts and fix the profit. You zero stress, zero risk, because your initial money are safe. Market mood, it's disbelief. This is capitulation, disbelief. So weekly time frame was still early, I guess. Daily, here was like capitulation, bounce, aphasia, drop. Now it's optimism, positive, but we can drop to 430 and 376. So just be ready to accumulate in that level if you want to accumulate, of course. Here was accumulation. Here's a money outflow on the daily. Weekly, no money inflow, new one. Weekly, money in, we at the top, no money out yet. And the monthly, we still early. I guess. It's just my humble opinion. This was a March 24 time to out. This is time to in at $4.31. Now we're almost at the same levels, even a little bit higher. So I guess we can go higher to 15.57, 20.98, this $37, $30, $40, for example, and end the cycle. Maybe if you believe in crazy scenarios, it's this one. 86, around $100, but it's hard to say about that targets. Let's focus only on this local one. And take profit, guys, indicator, the last one, weekly. Weekly, we bounce at almost to take profit. Now we try hold the line at take profit on the weekly. And the daily, guys, we trade way over exit line. That's why when we trade way over exit line, it's good time to fix some profit, guys, or at least withdraw initial deposit. The buy line on the ICP now $3.05. And 12 time frame is $2.93. Maybe I will try take some trade, futures with leverage in this range. I guess close to the 380 to reduce the risk. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you'd like to trade with my customer, I will show it in this video. Use right medium. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.